It is sometimes helpful to create groups of students in a course to facilitate multiple work groups for projects, etc. This video will show how to create groups manually or automatically. Sign into CampusNet and select My Courses, then select the course for which you want to create groups. Select Participants from the left menu. Click the settings gear at the top right of the section, then click Groups. To create a new group, scroll down and click the Create Group button. Enter the group name, which is required, and a description if you desire. You can click the blue Help question mark icons beside the other optional fields to see help in case you want to set them. Enabling the messaging setting will allow students in a group to message others in the group. The messages drawer is reached from the pull-down arrow next to the user's picture at the top right of all course screens. You can add yourself or a grader or assistant to the group to be able to see the messages and respond if needed. When the group settings are what you want, click the Save Changes button at the bottom. Now that the group is created, select the group from the list and click the Add Remove Users button for the group. Use the controls to add potential members to the group members or to remove group members. When done, click the Back to Groups button and check the group's users to see that they are what you want. More advanced settings. If desired, you can also use the Auto Create Groups button to create groups that each have the same number of students, selected randomly or alphabetically by first or last name. If you use this method, be sure to read the Help icon next to the naming field, as it has special characters for alphabetic and numeric naming conventions. Be sure to use the Preview button to verify that the results will be as desired before clicking the Submit button. Another advanced setting is Groupings, which is reached from its tab at the top of the group screen. Multiple groups can be joined in a grouping if desired. This can become somewhat complicated, so prior to trying groupings, you should refer to the links in the written instruction help article that is linked to in the details section under this video on its YouTube page. Finally, the Overview tab on the group screen will let you view all of the groups and their members. If you set up groupings previously, you will also see how the groups are organized within the groupings. Thank you.